If you are running an online business right now, you are probably paying for more tools than you need. An email platform, a funnel builder, a course hosting tool, an affiliate manager, a membership site, 5 separate subscriptions, 5 logins, 5 things that can break at any moment. There is a simpler way. System.io is an all-in-one platform that replaces all of it. Email marketing, sales funnels, online courses, affiliate programs, and membership sites. Everything in one place under one login for a fraction of what you are paying right now. And unlike most all-in-one tools that charge a premium for that convenience, System.io has a free plan that actually lets you run a real business without paying anything. Here are the 5 tools it replaces. First, your email platform. System.io has built-in email marketing with automation, broadcasts, and sequences. No MailChimp, no ConvertKit required. Second, your funnel builder. Drag and drop sales funnels, order pages, upsells, and thank you pages, all built in. No ClickFunnels subscription needed. Third, your course platform. You can host and sell online courses directly inside System.io. No Teachable, no Kajabi. Fourth, your affiliate manager. System.io has a built-in affiliate program tool so you can recruit and pay affiliates without any third-party software. Fifth, your membership site. Gated content, drip courses, paid communities, all handled inside the same platform. The free plan includes up to 2,000 contacts, 3 sales funnels, 1 membership site, and unlimited emails. For most people starting out, that is everything they need to launch and start making money before spending $1. If you want to try it, the link is below. Free to start, no credit card required. I will be covering more on how to use it in the videos ahead, so subscribe and I will see you in the next one.